Everybody, welcome back to the Iron and Oak Sawmill. If this is your first time here, I'm Chuck.
I'm Deb.
And we are Iron and Oak Sawmill, a husband and wife team, running a Woodmiser LT35, milling up some lumber for different clients as well as ourselves. We do some woodworking here on the channel, equipment repairs, running the sawmill, running the Easton-made wood splitter, working on the Kubota tractors, whatever it is we need to do here to keep our mill running, that's what we do. So if you like that kind of thing, hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and hey, while you're at it, share it with a few friends. If you want to pick up some Iron and Oak Sawmill merch, we have a store link. Yeah, we have it's a store button right down. Yeah, I'll put a link in the description as well. But there is a store button down there. You get into to our store. We've got T-shirts, we've got sweatshirts, hoodies, ladies apparel as well. So it's not just for the guys.
Right.
Stickers, coffee mugs, but we are having a new sticker designed as well. I mean, this is what our current stickers look like, the Iron and Oak Sawmill saw blade. We have some new ones being designed by Bill Moon out at Backspin Graphics. He's helping us out with that. He's got some nice ones he sent us so far. We settled on one, and we're going to hold off letting everybody know what that is until we get him here. But speaking of Bill Moon, we got a package from him. And it's a collaboration between him and Joe over at Joe's Premium Firewood. Joe's Firewood Videos and Joe's Firewood Videos 2 on YouTube. They sent us a box, and we're going to go ahead and open it here and see what's inside. I'm going to bring you up here for the close-up. Okay.
What's next? Was it 2 stickers?
No need for the close-up. I think we're fine right where we're at. Oh, nice. Well,
Pink.
I'm guessing that's for Deb.
That's mine. Thank you, Bill. Thank you,
check it
Joe.
out. Get a little close-up of that. Joe's Premium Firewood in Orangeville, Michigan. Of course, that's the pink camo for Deb. I like the way these are vented, too, because when you're on the mill and you're getting hot, you're at least got air movement over your head. We wear these other ones that are all cloth, and they don't vent as well. There you go. You want to try that on real quick?
Yep. And put it around the back.
Can you do that? You want some help?
Hold on.
Oh, there you go. Looks good. Oh, here's your mic. Let me get your mic back to you. There we go.
Thank you.
Next up.
Oh, cool.
Oh, that's nice. Camo hat we talked about that I was looking for. Hey, nice addition with the American flag there.
Yes, it is.
Again, it's the Joe's Premium Firewood out of Orangeville, Michigan. Thank you again, Joe and Bill. And there's one more thing in there.
You have one in the back.
Oh, yeah. A little addition of the American flag on the back there, like that.
Yep.
Let me swap mine out.
Glasses. I like that.
Like that one?
Mm-hmm.
All right,
Yes,
let me
I
get my
do.
mic back on here. All right, sporting the Joe's Premium Firewood headwear. I like that. Here's the other one.
That's nice.
Now, Joe's been bugging me. What kind of sweatshirt do I want? Now that it's 80 degrees outside, I'm sure there'll be some cool mornings we can wear it, but it's got a combination. Joe's Premium Firewood and Iron and Oak Sawmill. And with my name on it, that's cool. We got the Joe's Premium Firewood here on the front. And the Joe's Premium Firewood on the back.
Nice.
And hang on.
Yep.
Hold that.
Yep.
Don't drop it in the dirt. Just got it. Got the Iron and Oak Sawmill on the right sleeve. And on the left sleeve,
It's Joe's.
we got the JPF Flames emblem. That looks nice. Thank you very much,
Thank
Joe.
you.
Appreciate that. Man.
Yes. Very nice.
Oh,
I like my pink hat too, Joe. That'll match my pink hoodie.
but there's the unboxing for today, guys.
Thank
and
you.
Definitely appreciate that. I'm sure that it's only May. There's going to be some more cool days we can wear this one. Or, hey, if we're down at the beach or something like that. If we ever get away from the sawmill. Are we ever going to get away from the sawmill? I don't know.
It's just going crazy right now.
It's hectic, guys. It is very crazy. Very busy on the mill. Oh, I got my old dusty Woodmiser hat. I can give that a bath now.
You got 2 of them.
All right. Well, there it is. Thanks, Joe. Thanks, Bill. And if you guys need any of the graphics, contact Bill Moon over at Backspin Graphics. Be glad to help you out. Like I said, he's working on some stickers for us. Wanted to upgrade from this to something a little more. I don't know. We'll see when we get it. Okay. But I think it's going to look good.
Yeah.
What else we got? I think that's about it.
Yeah, it is.
But we're going to go ahead and get started with the video, guys. Hopefully you enjoy it. Getting some sides on the 12-foot dump trailer.
All done?
Fits. Well, now we got to put stakes on here and here, and we're good. thinking we might have to double these up so we only have half the washers we need. Yeah. So what's going to happen with the nut on the other side is going to cave in. Just run it in. I'll tell you when to stop. No.
Should I lean against it? Shot.
Let's just see if I'm going to make it through.
It's the holes here.
No, is this going to make it through? Keep pushing. Forward. All right, well finally the trailer's got some sides. The problem, or one of the reasons we did this, is a cord of wood stacked full trailer width and depth, 12 feet, right to the top rail was a cord. And it was too close to spilling over the side, so give us a little bit of insurance. Plus we can actually carry more loose logs in here when we go pick up firewood. Or we could also carry more logs when we go pick them up for the mill. Just a little bit of security, get the sides up a little higher, and yep, much better. All right, so there it is. You got a little bit of milling, a little bit of drilling, a little bit of miter saw work. We got a little bit of circular saw work, and what was the last one? Impact gun. Yeah. That's right. But she's got her scythe. She's ready to get loaded up for firewood, which we're getting ready to do now. So, hey, you don't have your own mill, you can't get oak like that because that could be expensive to buy. Just go ahead and use pressure treated pine. Yeah, well, maybe it'll cost about as much as oak these days because it's getting crazy with the prices, but you do what you got to do, and that's what we needed to do. So if you like this kind of video, go ahead and hit that like button, share it with some friends, and hey, while you're at it, hit the subscribe button. Really appreciate that. So I think that'll about wrap it up. You want to go split some firewood?
Yeah.
Finally bringing Easton mate out of retirement, winter retirement, and I'm going to get some firewood into this trailer and over here into our empty shed. That has to be filled. So we're going to get busy with that. So I guess that's it. If you guys have any questions about what we're doing here at the mill, the trailer, the tractors, the log splitter, which you're about to see finally in an upcoming video, go ahead and put it down in the comment section. We're glad to help you out. As always, thanks everybody for stopping out, and we'll see you at our next time.
Take care.